What is your will, my master?
Hey, what's up? This is a demo for my personal saber project that I just got done yesterday. Been on vacation for the last 4 days, so it's kind of weird making one of these videos again. I've been out of practice, but I had in the mail when I came home yesterday this crystal chamber that I had designed and had printed in steel. It was in the mail when I came home, so I wanted to sit down and do this and get it done. I was very excited to do it. So yeah, it's all done. This is a one of one samurai type saber that TJ Wells made over at Ignition Saber Company. Then Dylan Denbeck over at Denbeck Relics, he etched the shroud portion. And then I bought this from him. So I went ahead and I etched the rest of it. This did have an Ito wrap on it, but I took the wrap off. It was kind of big with the wrap. Etched the rest of it, so etched the handle, and then I powder coated it in a two-tone, obviously, right? So it's a black and gold two-tone powder coat, two-button setup. So top tactile switch over here is the activation, bottom is the auxiliary. It's got CC sabers in here for the lit PCB. This is extremely tight fit for the handle. So to get the handle off, kind of have to grab it from here and use two thumbs and give it equal pressure like this to have it come out, right? And then you get to about right here and then you can pull it out. Just like that. It is an extremely tight fit. When I modeled up this crystal chamber, I did it for the tight tolerance of the handle. And then when it came yesterday, I ended up spray painting it gold and then clear coated it. But when I did all that, it threw the tolerance off. And then this piece right here, I did have to, this choke piece, that's part of the saber. I did have to file and sand that a bit because there's just a little bit of an indentation in this handle on the inside ID that it was having a little bit of trouble sliding through. So I just got that all done. It slides in and out well now. It's just super tight. Um, but that's the crystal chamber that I modeled up. It was my first one I've ever done and then had it sent out to be printed. So I was pretty excited about that. It's a real quartz crystal in there. This isn't the type of chamber you could get away with having if you have the Mercuries now because I think it's a 9-inch handle. This is an 11-inch handle. So it just fits that chamber. It is installed with Proffie. So if I flip up this door, you can see the Proffie in there. And just flip the handle back down. I've only got 3 sound fonts on here. I've got the Orochi sound font because I thought it went perfect with this saber. I've got Evil Fool from Kyberphonic, and then also Son of Corellia from Kyberphonic, right? Because those are on the Evil Fool. I haven't been able to play with that much, so I wanted to do that on this one. And then I love the Son of Corellia sound font. I'm still playing with that, right? And this has a 28 millimeter Smuggler's Outpost Darkside speaker in it with removable battery setup, right? So we'll throw a battery in here. It's got a Roki on it right now. If I turn the light off, I just got that crystal pulsating. Oh, it shines nice and bright. Turn it on. That's all lighting up. That picks up on camera. The crystal does react to the auxiliary button being pressed, right? This is a wild one, but I liked playing with it. It sounds amazing. And then Sons of Corellia, the Son of Corellia. So that's with the crystal. And then when we put the handle on, it is tight going in too. I get to about right here or so, where you can see the crystal, and I'll just push it from the back until it clips all the way in. There is a screw that goes in here, but I'm not going to put it in for the sake of this demo because I really don't need it. Nice sound resonance. It's got a cool blade plug that'll come with it, or it doesn't come with it. It's with it already, but this came with the saber, so that's cool. It takes a 1-inch diameter neopixel blade. Throw that in real quick. This is definitely two-handed. You've got plenty of room to do two-handed on this guy. And Orochi. This is definitely a sword, right? Jeez. Nice, rather unstable for this guy. You can just feel that speaker. You can feel the sound all the way up the handle. That speaker probably sits about right here or so. So it's got all that room for sound resonance. And then Son of Corellia. Which I just finished this book coming back from vacation on the plane. I had not read it yet. You can't see it, it's got blade lock up right here. It's like that. Now I'll take the blade out. So yeah, super proud of this guy. I've been working on this off and on for the last couple months. And then always to get the handle, it's going to take even amount of pressure. I don't like you don't want to grab it right here and just yank on it because you could break the chassis. It'll be pretty tight until it gets to a point, and then the handle will slide right off. So if you just go like that, you won't have any control. But if you just push it up with your thumb, you can literally feel when it's getting, loose, and then you could pop that up. The same cutout for the switch area is kind of a cutout for the crystal as well. So it looks pretty cool. Just like that. Take the handle out just like that and pop the battery out. And yeah, this is basically my saber. I just wanted to show it off. I've been working on it for a long time. I don't get to do personal projects very much. And the ones that I do, they take me a long time because I can only do a little bit at a time. But yeah, hope you liked what I did here, and thanks for watching.